Whoa, whoa. Just a cliff face. Good morning. It's another little mini bike trip. So we just arrived to Chumphon. It's now about 6 in the morning. Boat arrived at 4, but not a chance we were going to go get on the bikes at that time. So we had a little bit of a lie-in. Wait till the sun came up. We are now heading to Fame Bar. It's 4 of us on the trip today, so myself, obviously, and then we got Gaz, we got Baden, and we've also got Marcel. Alright, we've had delicious dim sum and a coffee. Everybody looks like we're ready to go. And off we go. Looks like our first dead end of it today. Okay, first crash. Yeah, well, we'll get your bike sorted and then we'll have a little break. So what's the plan? Because Marcel's turning around. Are we going to go on that road or continue up? See ya. Marcel's off. Do you want to go back a bit more? Okay. So if you hop on, oh, that's fun. Alright, crash number 2. Marcel's dropped it. Let's see if he's okay. You okay, Marcel? You okay?
bike, so it's very painful right now.
Well, nearly down at the bottom, and then when we get it down, just check the bike over.
Hope that the clutch is not broken. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
You got the brake? Get the brake.
Oh, my fucking feet, man.
Yeah, we'll have a look. Just roll it down to the bottom. Okay. Right. Slowly, slowly. Catch you, monkey. Whoa. So yeah, if it's a little bit bent, we can straighten it back out, but we just need to lay it down on some cement and then wrench it back in place. So we can do that, but it's just a bit hard to do it in mud. Rain. We should add another level of enjoyment to this ride for sure. Fingers crossed, no clay. Fingers and toes crossed. Slippy. Oy. This is driving on ice. Holy shit. Ooh. Over here's Burma. Oh cool, let's go. I had a bit of me swerving all over the place. I got a bit of Baden, back end sliding out. Yeah.
I nearly got my
We're up in the misty mountains now. Wow. Wow. This is very cool. A delicious noodle soup. Although the meat consisted of what looked like liver and buttholes, so yeah, I can wait till later to get some proper food in Chumphon. So what we're going to do now, we've got a few more hours left of riding, so head back out to the hills. Game on. cliff face. They're getting a bit gnarly. Hey, cliff face. Whew. Just take it easy. Let's try not to drive off a cliff face. Hoo hoo hoo. Yeah, this is pretty special. Oh, fuck. Beer o'clock. Oh. Yeah, oh.